I'm Homer Simpson. I need to get that bread.
Get over here, you rich bastard, and kiss me. Get over here, you rich bastard, and kiss me. Get over here, you rich bastard, and kiss me. What do I not get for you, you piece of bread? Why not good for you, you piece of bread? Bread! Bread!
Quiet, please. This is the library, and I'd like some peace to read mindfully. So mind your P's and Q's, else you might receive abuse. When you let the wildest creature loose, see the blind leading you, leave you slightly confused. Eardrum sliced, cleaved in two. Because my speakers blues are highly frequent use. It's a nice evening. Feel your life leaving you. You can try screaming futilely, mind demon foolhardy. I'll be here driving you doolally. R.I.P. Cursed and blessed with sensitive hearing. You can never guess what it ends up feeling. Goodness, yes, ever so queer things. Shudders and tremors and intimate feelings. Underhand sinister secretive dealings. Hid in the middle of weeping and wailing. Ears are piercing merely from squealing. Shrieking, screaming, bringing in ceiling. Shh. Quiet. Pussy, pussy, pussy. Hush. Shush, your pussy. Make a sound. Pussy, you already have the ones. Just dug your own grave and fell down into a world of pain. All you can do is pray for help. With the music. I'm not abusive, I'm a recluse with hyperacusis. Trying to unwind and I find you obtrusive. So now you'll find out how tiny my fuse is. Once you kids die, then I'll find other uses for you, cause it's kind of amusing. Better stay quieter than ASMR. Or you make my pain in the ass. I shout this straight from the heart. My rib cage is a stage to emit sound waves in the dark like a flame from the start. Created a rod so loud it'll break you apart. Try not to raise the alarm if your aim's to evade any harm. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Maybe you'll try running straight to your mark. Go crazily hard when I blaze with a bars. Hey, kill a blaze, get a body. Say, by this stage I'm basically blasé, baby. But I say you're late to the party. Oh, hey, there you are, mate. Let's get straight to the part where I make you expire. It's my late market. Believe me, it's not for the weak-hearted. You might be somebody's dearly departed when I leave you entirely.